Welcome to HUCREST, the place where you learn AI, programming, and the technologies shaping our future.
Why Python now?
Hello everyone, welcome back to HUCREST. In the previous video, we built a strong foundation around artificial intelligence, what it is, why it exists, and where it is going. Now comes the first practical step of our journey. Before AI, before machine learning, before deep learning, we must talk about Python. In this video, we are not going to jump into coding immediately. Instead, we are going to understand Python properly because once you understand why Python exists, learning it becomes much easier. So let's begin.
What is Python?
Let's start with a very simple question. What is Python? Python is a programming language, but more importantly, Python is a language designed for humans first and machines second. That means it is easy to read, easy to write, easy to understand. Python allows you to tell computers what to do in a way that feels almost like English. Python focuses on clarity, not complexity.
Why Python was created? The real reason.
Now let's go a little deeper. Python was created by a programmer named Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s. At that time, programming languages were complicated, hard to read, difficult to maintain. Guido wanted a language that was simple and readable, which could solve real problems without unnecessary complexity. So, Python was created not to impress machines but to help humans think clearly. That philosophy still exists today.
Why is Python called Python?
This is one of the most common questions. Is Python named after a snake? No. Python is not named after a snake. It is named after a British comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido was a fan of that show and wanted a fun name, a memorable name, a name that felt friendly, not scary. That's why Python documentation also uses playful examples. Python was never meant to feel intimidating.
Why Python is so popular today?
Now let's answer a very important question. Why is Python everywhere today? There are several reasons. The first one is easy to learn. Python code looks clean and readable. Beginners don't feel overwhelmed. The second one is powerful. Python is used in AI and machine learning, web development, automation, cybersecurity, game development, data science. And the third one is huge community. Millions of developers around the world use Python. That means more libraries, more support, faster solutions. The fourth one is industry adoption. Companies across the globe use Python like Google, NASA, Netflix, Spotify, Meta. Python is simple but not small.
Is Python only for AI?
This is a big myth. Is Python only for AI and machine learning? Absolutely not. Python is a general purpose language. You can use Python to build websites, automate tasks, create desktop applications, work with databases, build APIs, write scripts, and yes, build AI systems. AI is just one powerful use case, not the only one.
Common myths about Python.
Let's clear some myths before moving forward. Myth 1: Python is slow. The truth is, Python is slower in some cases, but the speed is handled by optimized libraries, C extensions, hardware acceleration. Most real world systems care about development speed, maintainability, reliability, and not the raw speed alone. Myth 2: Python is only for beginners. The truth is, Python is used by researchers, scientists, engineers, large enterprises. Simple syntax does not mean weak power. Myth 3: Python cannot build large systems. The truth is, many large scale systems run on Python. Scalability depends on architecture, not just language.
Python versus other languages.
You might be wondering why not Java, C++, or JavaScript. Every language has a purpose. C++ is used for hardware level control and Java is used in enterprise systems. JavaScript is used for web browsers and Python is used for AI, automation, productivity, data. Python lets you think about the problem, not the syntax. That's why it's perfect for AI, startups, rapid development, experimentation.
Python in real life.
Python is used in recommendation systems, financial modeling, weather prediction, scientific research, robotics, space missions. Python is not a future language. Python is a present day backbone.
Should you learn Python now?
Let's answer this honestly. Yes, tools change, frameworks evolve, but Python teaches you logical thinking, problem solving, automation mindset, data handling. These skills do not expire. Python is not just a language, it's a thinking tool.
What we will do next with Python on HUCREST.
Now let's set expectations clearly. On HUCREST, we will start from Python basics, write code step by step, understand logic deeply, use Python for AI, build real projects, integrate with modern tech stacks. No rush, no confusion, no unnecessary theory. So in this video, we understood what Python is, why it was created, and why it is named Python, what myths exist, and why Python is the right starting point. In the next video, we will take our first real step. We will install Python and set up our environment and write our first Python program together. If you are ready to move from understanding to actual doing, I will see you in the next video. So, if you are ready to upgrade your skills, build powerful AI projects, and stay ahead in the fast changing tech world, subscribe now because at HUCREST, your success is our mission.